Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for week one math. There you can find a list of the chapters. And we are here for week one math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade one math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Subtraction Skill Builders. And the lessons we're going to cover today are subtracting 5, subtracting 6, subtracting 7, and subtracting 8. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. And I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we're on right now is subtraction skill builders. Let's just start with the lesson that is subtracting 5. So we have already started this chapter earlier this week, and we already know how to subtract, right? The numbers are different, but the concept of subtracting is exactly the same. So today we are going to start with subtracting 5. So we're going to start with 14 take away 5. So there are so many ways to subtract. You can subtract whatever method you can find easy. One of them is you can start with the smaller number. The smaller number is 5. Yeah, we have to count until the greater one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now you can count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means starting from 5 until 14, you have 9 numbers there. So 14 take away 5 is 9. Let's just start with the test questions. 5 take away 5. So subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 5 take away 5 is 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Then take away 5. Another way to subtract is start with the greater number and count until the smaller one. Backward counting you can do, right? Like for example, you have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So 10 take away 5. Starting from 10 until 5 you have five numbers, one, two, three, four, five. So 10 take away five is five. Option number one is the correct option. Six take away five, which is the correct option. 6 take away 5 is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. 12 take away 5, which is the correct option. 12 take away 5 is 7. That's option number 2. Very good. That is 7. 7 take away 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2, it is 7 take away 5 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 13 take away 5, which is the correct option. 8, it is option number 3 is the correct option. 13 take away 5 is 8. The next one is 14 take away 5. So which is the correct option? 14 take away 5 is 9. Option number 3 is the correct option. 8 take away 5. 8 take away 5 is 3. Option. The last option is the correct one. 5 take away 5. 5 take away 5 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. 0 it is. 6 take away 5. 6 take away 5 is 1. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete a lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Now we're going to learn how do we subtract 6. So again, exactly, you just have to use the methods we have already learned to subtract. You just have to subtract. The numbers are different, but the concept of subtracting is same. So you have to do 14 take away 6. So 14 take away 6 equals. Start with 6 and count until 14. So which is the correct option? 14 take away 6 is 8. It is option number 2 is the correct option. You have to start with 6 and count until 14. So that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. 12 take away 6. 12 take away 6 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6. 6 take away 6. 6 take away 6 is 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. 10 take away 6 is 10 take away 6 is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. 11 take away 6 is 11 take away 6 is 11 take away 6 is 5. The last option is the correct option. 11 take away 6 equals 5. 13 take away 6 equals. That is 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. 9 take away 6, which is the correct option. 9 take away 6 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 take away 6, which is the correct option. 8 take away 6 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 15 take away 6 equals. 15 take away 6 is 9. Option number 3 is the correct option. 9 it is. 14 take away 6. 14 take away 6 is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. 7 take away 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. Option number. The last option is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtracting game. Let's just start with the next lesson. 12 take away 8. Now we're going to learn how do we subtract any number. Like how do we subtract 8? So 12 take away 8. Start with 8 and count until 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 take away 8 equals 4. The correct answer is 4. Let's just start with the test questions. 12 take away 8. 12 take away 8 is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Sixteen take away 8 equals 16 take away 8 is 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 15 take away 8 equals 15 take away 8 is 7. It is option number 2 is the correct option. 15 take away 8 is 7. Nine take away 8 equals 9 take away 8 equals 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 take away 8, which is the correct option. 8 take away 8 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. 10 take away 8 equals 10 take away 8 is 10 take away 8 is 2. Option number 3 is the correct option. 17 take away 8 equals 17 take away 8 is 9. Option number, the last one is the correct option. 13 take away 8 is 13 take away 8 is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. 12 take away 8. 4 it is 12 take away 8 is 4. The last option is the correct option. 15 take away 8 is 15 take away 8 is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is subtracting 8. You just did subtracting it, right? That means we skipped subtracting 7. So let's just go back to subtracting 7. Yes, we skipped subtracting 7. So let's just start with subtracting 7. Let's just start with the test questions. 8 take away 7, which is the correct option. 8 take away 7 is one option, number 2 is the correct option. Thirteen take away 7 is option number 1 is the correct option. 6 it is. 13 take away 7 is 6. 14 take away 7 is 14 take away 7 is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. 16 take away 7 equals 16 take away 7 is 9. The last option is the correct option. 12 take away 7 is 12 take away 7 is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 15 take away 7, which is the correct option. 15 take away 7 is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. The correct option is 8. 10 take away 7 equals 10 take away 7 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Very good. And 11 take away 7 is 11 take away 7 is 4. The last option is the correct option. Seven take away seven is 7 take away 7 is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 take away 7 is 9 take away 7 is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself like today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction skill builders. The lessons we have covered today are subtracting 5, subtracting 6, subtracting 7, and subtracting 8. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today.